The beautiful Athirampilly Falls and the gentle rain, a deadly combination. The mist is slowly moving over the forest area and it's gently getting dark. The most beautiful creation of God, nature untouched and so beautiful, worth all the money in the world. The time spent is irreplaceable and the enjoyment cannot be explained. It's too good for words. Nature at her best. The maximum zooming in I have been able to do to get this beautiful view of the Athirampilly Falls. I can't explain how I'm feeling standing in front of this God's creation. Is this heaven or am I on earth? I'm pinching myself to make sure that I've not been transported to a different world, away from the mundane city life. This has been my idea of life all through my life. This is the moment I have been waiting for all my life. A creation beyond, I can't describe, I can't find words to describe God's creation. If this place on earth can be so beautiful, just imagine heaven. So much of peace and tranquility. The beautiful morning view from our room. There's mist over the surrounding forest area. As you can see, it's moving and there are small birds which are flying just very close to the waterfall. They seem to be enjoying themselves. Very tiny birds. And it's so beautiful. I'm just turning the view. That's the mountain just in front of our room. And if you look carefully, you can see the birds flying in the distance. They are gliding all over the area. And on this side also, there are trees. And this is the lawn in front of our room. And you can see the swimming pool area below. So this is an ideal morning to have a nice cup of hot coffee and relax on the chairs outside, being one with the beauty of nature, God's own waterfall. I'm recording the closest view possible from our room of the waterfall. You can see it in all its beauty, and in the background there's mist and the mountain. I think it's a breathtaking sight. Everything else is forgotten when you keep looking at the waterfalls. It has a very calming and soothing effect on you, and you're transported to a different world altogether, where there's nothing other than you and the waterfall and the beauty of nature, God's creation. Really worth it. Those are the clouds which are gathering. It was raining in the morning. Probably it will. The mist is slowly covering the entire valley, and probably it will cover the waterfall also after some time. You can see the gentle spray from the waterfall as it's falling down. The gentle spray is coming up like a cloud, and that's where these birds are flying. This is the view from our room. As you can see, there's mist completely covering the mountain. You can hardly see it. And as we move towards the waterfall, we have a tree in front of the room, so it's blocking the view a little, but still it's okay. And the greenery, the gentle breeze blowing across from the waterfall side. It's raining also, and the stream, the mist, the mountain, and the water, the sound of the water falling is really breathtaking. I can stand like this forever. Today we are getting back to Kochi, and hopefully we will rediscover this place once more when Radhi comes, and can all enjoy this view, enjoy our time. Food was excellent, and we enjoyed the massage, full body massage, and the podi kiri treatment, which has made our bodies much more flexible, and we can walk with a spring in our footsteps now. And the jacuzzi in the room also was very, very useful. I didn't get to use it much. Satish used it more. Our trip is coming to an end. We leave at 10 a.m. today. Thanks to God for making our stay very beautiful and very pleasant and memorable. Daddy's birthday well celebrated. This is a view from the lowest part of the resort, and this is the best shot of the Athirampilly waterfalls. As you can see, it's so milky white, and the water is gently flowing down at a slower speed from here, and it's surrounded by trees and the mountain, and you can see a tree house there. I move a little closer. You can see the tree house. It's on the right side actually. Let me move. Yeah. Yeah, that's the tree house on the left hand side, and there's some maintenance going on there, so we can't go climbing up there. But anyway, we came down, and this is the view of the sky, and it's quite clear and sunny in the afternoon now, and moving from the stream back to the waterfall. Mesmerizing.